understand that? This is static. This is a fight between the righteous and the wicked. Take your stance, I'll take mine. How about that? What you say, square off? Yeah. Count. Right? Yeah, we're going to shoot it out, man. Because you stick your guns, and we're going to stick to ours, and we're going to see who win. What's your backup? The so-called white man is your backup. Because you go by his laws and vibrations, and you follow his wicked ways. You love America and everything that they offer you. All the wickedness is made available. But we confess Christ in the Most High power, and for him to be our backup. So the Lord say, yeah, he didn't do it today, should be saved. Stick into this group, man. Don't mind everybody else. Let them do their thing, man. Speak this word in season and out. Lock it down. I'm going to come play for you. And I'm going to come play for you. That's what the Lord's going to do for us. And we believe that. Any more?
Yeah.
Give me Luke. Hold on. Give me Luke. You got Luke 17, 11 through 19. Go ahead.
Malachi 4:4.
Come on.
Remember ye the law of Moses my servant,
Right, give me a piece of tape.
which I commanded unto him in Horeb for all Israel.
Praise the Lord. Remember Moses my servant, right? Was the Most High. That's what. Read it on. Come on.
Malachi 4:4. Remember ye the law of Moses my servant,
Right.
which I commanded unto him in Horeb for all Israel,
Right.
with the statutes and judgments. Behold, I will send Elijah the prophet
Okay.
before the coming of the great and dreadful day of the Lord.
Right.
And he shall turn the heart of the fathers to the children, and the heart of the children to their fathers, lest I come and smite the earth with a curse.
Praise the Lord. That goes on. Leave that. That was John the Baptist. That didn't come to pass. Hold that. I give you Luke. What else you got? Psalm 119:21, and you got Luke 14. Give me that. Luke 17:11.
Luke 17:11.
Okay.
And it came to pass, as he went to Jerusalem, that he passed through the midst of Samaria and Galilee.
Right.
And as he entered into a certain village,
Okay.
there met him 10 men that were lepers, which stood afar off.
Talking about Christ. This is talking about Christ. Now there's 10 men that had leprosy, and they stood afar off. Right. Check this out. As we bring these things out, we want to bring out situations and things that happen in the Bible in time past. There's confusion in the earth. Who's who in the earth today? Some people don't believe that the so-called Israelites that the Bible talks about are the Negroes in the earth. The so-called Negroes in the earth. The so-called Puerto Ricans in the earth. The so-called Dominicans. The so-called Indians, North American Indians, or Seminole Indians. These are all the 12 lost tribes of Israel. Right here, Christ now is going over. He sees 10 lepers. 10 lepers. Right? Read on.
Luke 17:13.
Okay.
And they lifted up their voices
Right?
and said, Yahushua, Master, have mercy on us.
Right?
And when he saw them, he said unto them, Go show yourselves unto the priest.
Okay.
And it shall come to pass that as they went, they were cleansed.
Okay.
And one of them, when he saw that he was healed, turned back,
Right?
and with a loud voice glorified the Most High,
Praise the Lord. Right? Go ahead.
and fell down on his face
Right.
at his feet, giving him thanks.
Right?
And he was a Samaritan.
Okay, praise the Lord. Now, there's one that came back. One that did come back, right? One that did come back and thank the Lord, right? I need to put that up there, man. We got editing problems, man. And we're not going to edit this thing out. I need to put that up there for you. The number's not staying up long enough. So if you got some calls and you got some questions you need to ask, please feel free. 777-9941. 865-5290, right? As the scriptures saying, Christ, he came into Samaria, and he came amongst 10 lepers, or men with leprosy. And he told them to go and speak to the physician, right? Read that part.
Luke 17:16.
Yes?
And fell down on his face at his feet.
Come back. Give me 14.
Luke 17:14.
Right.
And when he saw them, he said unto them,
Right?
Go, show yourselves unto the priest.
Praise the Lord.
And it came to pass
Right?
that as they went, they were cleansed.
Uh-huh.
And one of them, when he saw that he was healed, turned back, and with a loud voice glorified the Most High.
He glorified the Most High for that, for his healing. He got cured of his leprosy. 10 men, only one turned back. Read on.
Luke 17:16.
Okay.
And fell down on his face
Right?
at his feet,
Praise the Lord.
giving him thanks.
Right. Give me Malachi 3:16. Hold on. Read that.
And he was a Samaritan.
And he was a Samaritan. A Samaritan is not an Israelite. These are the 12 lost tribes of Israel. Right? The native inhabitants of North, Central, South America, and throughout the Caribbean belt. A Samaritan was an African. He was not of the nation of Israel. He's an African of the seed of Canaan, right? This is the only guy that came back and thanked the Lord and thanked the Most High. Those other 9 Israelites did not do that because of the scriptures speaking in Timothy, as we brought out earlier. They're unthankful, man, unholy, inconsiderate, lovers of their own selves. I mean, they're not into this groove, or they're not into graciousness, period. A lot of people got bad manners. The point I want to bring out now, give me 3:16.
Malachi 3:16.
Right.
Then they that feared the Lord spake often one to another.
We must understand one thing, first and foremost, that there's a star nation in the Bible. There's a nation that's a star nation in the Bible. The Bible, what they call the scriptures. The holy scriptures, or the pure scriptures, or the pure script, or the script. The same way they make movies today. They got script, right? And they put down who's who act, who say what, who say this and that. It's a script. And they play it out. They act it out. Well, this is a script here for the whole earth. The Bible. It covers the vibration. So what we need to let you know is why they focusing on the nation of Israel so much. Why we point out these so-called Negroes so much. Because this is our book, man. This book belongs to the nation of Israel. This is our antiquities. This is the history of us as a people. Where were we at before we got brought over here as slaves? Where were we? Or let's go to the African historians or Egyptologists or whatever have you. Where were we at before they brought us over here as slaves? Can you go back any further than that? No. Right. We understand. It's here in the Bible. This is what has it, man. Read it, bro. Come on.
Malachi 3:16.
Right.
Then they that feared the Lord spake often one to another.
Praise the Lord.
And the Lord hearkened and heard.
The Most High heard it. Read on.
And heard it. And a book of remembrance was written before him for them that feared the Lord.
Okay.
And that thought upon his name.
A book of remembrance was written for them that fear the Lord and thought upon his name. For what? Read on.
Malachi 3:17. And they shall be mine, saith the Lord of hosts, in that day when I make up my jewels.
Here it is.
And I will spare them as a man spareth his own son that serveth him.
Right, that's how that goes, man. So the Most High, He made that for them that fear the Lord. Even though the book belongs to the nation of Israel, only the people that fear the Most High power are going to utilize it. If you sincerely fear the Lord power, then you'll utilize it. The so-called white man can't understand it. The African he doesn't have a clue. China man, they is the Buddha. You know what I'm saying? The Lord set this up so we can break it down. So these simple niggas in America can break it down. Providing they're not locked into rap or football or basketball or computers. You know, providing they don't have their head stuck up somebody's butt. You know what I'm saying? Huh? Get into this groove here, man. Lock into Christ, and then you can understand. What you got? Read it.
Luke 17:17.